This is an unboxing video for the S60P. This shrink-wrapped package contains the S60P toolkit. Depending on the selected configuration, different accessories will be included. Opening the shrink-wrapped storage box reveals the S60P main unit, XT60 power cable, 100-watt 5-ampere data cable with dual Type-C ports, 0.8mm solder wire, a stand for use with sponges, and PD 65 watts power adapter compatible with international power plugs. The S60P host features a housing crafted from industrial-grade specialty materials, offering exceptional high-temperature resistance and undergoing effective anti-static treatment. Compatible with C210 series soldering tips, allowing the use of different tip sizes to complete various soldering tasks. Supports multiple protocols: PD, QC, PPS, DC. 21 Volta Max. The temperature can be adjusted within the range of 50 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, 122 Fahrenheit degree to 932 Fahrenheit degree. Features an intelligent temperature control algorithm with temperature compensation and calibration capabilities, allowing sensitivity adjustment to mitigate environmental influences. 128/32 OLED display with built-in buzzer for work reminders. The direction of the screen could be adjusted. Supports firmware upgrades and multiple language versions, including Chinese, English, and Russian. The host unit measures 145mm in length and weighs 24 grams when fitted with the soldering iron tip. The XT60 power cable can operate with input voltages ranging from 2 to 5 volts, ensuring a stable power supply. Lightweight and stylish 100-watt 5-ampere dual Type-C port data cable. 0.8mm solder wire can serve as a filler material during soldering to join two metal components, ensuring a reliable electrical connection between them. The stand used with the sponge can clean the soldering iron tip and provide a temporary resting place during the soldering process. The PD 65 watts power adapter, used with converters from various countries, is fully compatible with different regional plug specification, ensuring stable and efficient operation of the S60P. Technology shapes the future, and Sequre embraces innovation. Should you have any suggestions or feedback regarding our products, please feel free to contact us. We will respond promptly and continue to improve.